Let's make some beef and bean chili. Come on, let's get started.
Todo queda sabroso.
Yes, we're making beef and bean chili. So if you're from Texas, I don't mean to offend you, but I like beans in my chili. And in this recipe, we're using the Instant Pot, but we're using the slow cooker method. I like using the slow cooker method here because it allows all those flavors to really develop, the chilies, the spices, and it's going to turn that meat super tender. Speaking of meat, we're not using traditional ground beef, but we're using chuck roast. Let me show you. Now, whenever you're making this type of chili, many people will use chili powder as the main chili flavor, but sometimes chili powder can sit in your cupboard for 6 months to a year and get real stale and lose its flavor. That's why I like using dried chilies to give it real depth of flavor. Okay, I'm missing one key secret ingredient.